Welcome back to our Uldapani Saralpara series. As we take leave from the temple, we head towards Saralpara, a place renowned for its pristine river and exciting picnic spots. But before we get there, we have got a special invitation from the Tamang community for a unique ceremony. Our first stop on the way to the riverside is this beautiful Buddhist Gumpa. It's just a short distance from Saralpara Bazaar, about 500 meters. The architecture here is a typical Tibetan design. And trust me, the moment we stepped in, it felt like we were transported to Tibet. Every piece of design here is carefully crafted by experts, creating a mesmerizing environment that captivated our minds. The serene and tranquil surroundings added to the spiritual experience. As we walked in, we were greeted by the rhythmic chants of the community, creating an atmosphere that awakened a sense of spirituality within us. Despite the hectic day, we found a moment of inner peace and self-introspection. we were fortunate enough to have a brief chat with Mrs. Serene Pakrin, who shared some insights into the temple and its significance.
तो फैसला ए, जंगसुक सलिंग गुम्बा हमारा ये मॉनेस्ट्री का नाम है और एस्टैब्लिश्ड हुआ है 2006 अप्रैल 6 में और यहाँ में पूजा भगवान बुद्धा गुरिम्पोचे चेंड्रेजी और ग्रीन तारा का होता है और यहाँ पे हम लोग का बुद्धिस्ट कम्युनिटी है। यहाँ पे हम लोग का कम्युनिटी में 45 समथिंग हाउसेस है और यहाँ पे पूजा महीना में 3 बार होता है। दशमी उसको छेचू बोलता है और ग्रीन तारा का छेपागी बोलता है और पूर्णिमा बुद्ध जयंती भी होता है यहाँ पे।
Now, let's join them for a prayer session. Sitting with the community for the prayer session, the chants transported us to a meditative state. It was a unique experience, connecting with the spiritual side of this beautiful place. As the ceremony comes to an end, we are making our way towards the river to witness the picturesque scene of Saralpara riverbank. Let's go and soak in the beauty. The riverbank is nothing short of a postcard view, with its crystal clear waters and lush surroundings. It's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy nature after the spiritual journey we have just had at the temple. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more adventures in our Ultapani Saralpara series. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.